Welcome to DayTradeToWin. Here's another day trading video showing the Atlas line day trading strategy. The Atlas line usually gives a few bigger trading signals during the day, and it also provides several signals for smaller moves. Usually we trade the Emini S&P500, but you can use the Atlas line for other futures contracts as well, and you can also use it for forex trading. This is a chart of the European Stoxx50 with the blue Atlas line down here. And as you can see, we just got an Atlas line long signal at 35.16, and we also got a strength trade signal at 35.20. So this gives us double the confidence in the long trade here, and it's totally possible to trade both of these signals. The Stoxx50 gives us 10 euros per point, and that's about the same amount in US dollars, about $11. We're only looking for 3 points here on the Atlas line trade. We're trying not to be too greedy. We base our profit target on what we can realistically expect, and the strength trade profit target is 1 point. As a day trader, if you get too greedy, you will just end up broke, so we just follow the trading rules here and grind on. And we reached the profit target here in no time. These trades gave us 40 euros per contract, so depending on how big positions you're trading, you can calculate how much money you would have made. Say you traded 3 contracts, that would have been more than 100 euros here for a few minutes of trading. The market continued upwards from here for a total of 12 points. I know many traders like to use trailing stops to lock in even more profit on the Atlas line trades. We teach you the best ways to use trailing stops in our 8-week mentorship program, by the way. It begins soon. Let's also review the second Atlas line trade here that we got later in the day. This was a short trade at 35.19, and here we also cashed in another 3 points in a short period of time. The first trade, 3 points with a potential of 12 points using trailing stops. The short trade produced 3 points as well. And the strength trade here gave us 1 point. So a minimum of 70 euros here trading only 1 contract. The big players trading 10 contracts would have made 700 euros here. The great thing with trading is when you have a good trading strategy, you can scale up and trade more and more contracts, bigger and bigger positions. If you want the Atlas line day trading strategy, go to daytradetowin.com. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, good trading.